Capstone 6, Adaptation and Mitigation Threatening Canada. The preliminary study and the research identifies that the current climatic trend is not sustainable in the long run. The imbalance between ecological, social, and environmental aspects calls for a sustainable approach to ensure stewardship and sustainability in the future. Owing to the climate differences across regions, every country needs to develop a sustainable environmental stewardship model to fix the current degradation. Canada is more vulnerable to the global warming which amplifies on the north and south poles. Moreover, the article identifies that the constant melting of sea ice increases the sea levels in Canada. Contrary to the prediction, the sea level in Canada has been rising at 50% higher than the projected in 1990. This shows that the mitigation process adopted by the country might have used the wrong data, expecting a possible failure in the future. The article quotes a report by IPCC that shows that sea levels and rise in the temperature will continue mostly in northern parts of Canada. The melting of glacier, which is faster than expected, will also worsen in the condition, leading to the rapid floods, which could cost billions of Canadian dollars to control. If the forecasts continue to as projected in the reports, Canadian communities will face ecological imbalance, especially in agriculture. Moreover, the changing temperatures and melting ice will reduce aquatic life, which helps in balancing sea life. There is also a possibility of disastrous floods and ice filling during rainy seasons. This would lead to slower development owing to funds allocated to disaster mitigation. In the attempts to minimize the almost accurate environmental degradation projections, Canada ought to come up with an inclusive mitigation process. This would include control on the carbon emission, increasing forestation, and control of disposable process. Although most packaging materials in Canada is recyclable, only half of it is recycled, while the other half ends up in the sea as debris, thus increasing the pollution index.